Hi, naka-move on na ba kayo sa TTPD? Ako hindi pa. Ano yung favorite niyo? Naalala ko dun sa sinabi ni Taylor na once we have spoken our saddest story, we can be free of it. And then, all that's left behind is the tortured poetry. Ayun. Naalala ko yung nabasa ko sa book ni Saint Therese that she kept her sanity because she could be at peace once she had said her piece. Which is true kasi alam mo yun, like, that's how we gain talaga yung freedom, yung peace. Kapag ka nasabi na natin gusto nating sabihin, and minsan kailangan natin mag-explain. So, ayun, honesty. I'm big on honesty kasi. So, yeah. And, wala, ayun lang. Totoo yung sinasabi nila. Kasi you have to try it. You have to be true to yourself. You have to be true to other people para magkaroon ka ng peace of mind and maging payapa rin yung puso mo. So, ayan. Makikinig na ulit ako ng TTPD. Proud member. Bye!